Hi everybody, my name is Emily Newport and my partner is Ashley Allen, and today we're going to be learning how to make a lava lamp out of just basic household materials that you have at your house. So you're going to want some water, some cooking oil, whether it's canola or vegetable, it really doesn't matter. And for me, for my bottle, we used a sparkling ice bottle. So as you can see, I've already filled it up, and I used green food coloring for this one and filled it about a quarter of a cup, and then the rest we filled with vegetable oil. And you're also gonna need some of the Alka-Seltzer tablets, and we're just gonna observe the different changes, like the physical changes of what will happen when we put the tablet into the water and the oil. Alright, so we will put that in, close that up, and as you can see, as the tablet dissolves, it creates the bubbles, and it looks like a lava lamp. Now you can also make it more like a lava lamp if you put a flashlight up to it. And in order to keep the effect going, you just keep putting more of the tablets inside, just like that. And the reason this occurs is because the oil is less dense than the water, so it sits on top. So you get a little bit of density in there as well. Can't really see it. So my big question was, what would happen if we put more water inside than this one, which I already did. I used blue food coloring this time. Put that in and see what happens. And starting. I don't think having more water than this one is really as good. It doesn't really have the same effect. And then, what if we put less water in? What would happen? When the tablet dissolves, it pushes the water upwards into the vegetable oil, which then gives us a little bubbles, and it repetitively sinks up and down because of the density. And that is our lava lamp demonstration.